Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu is a charming city in the Montérégie region of Quebec. Located just 40 kilometers southeast of Montreal, this city sits on the banks of the Richelieu River, a key waterway connecting Lake Champlain to the St. Lawrence River. Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu has a fascinating past. It was a significant transportation hub as early as the 17th century, with the French constructing Fort Saint-Jean during their colonial expansion. This fort played an essential role in the French and Indian Wars, and later saw action during the American Revolutionary War. In 1836, Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu became the site of British North America's first railway, connecting the city to La Prairie. This innovation solidified its status as a critical trade and travel link. Today, the city is known for its annual International Balloon Festival, held each August. This vibrant event fills the skies with colorful hot air balloons and draws visitors from far and wide. Whether you're exploring its rich history, enjoying the views along the Richelieu River, or taking part in the International Balloon Festival, Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu offers a mix of cultural heritage and modern attractions.